Just so you guys know, when I mentioned in the previous video that they have completely changed the way you use the date sum, I am more referring to the now of this year. All the other workouts during those times was working well, and from time to time they still do. I'm just trying to keep you guys up to date as we go further in the future. Also, this video will be short, so with that being said, let's dive into the video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to convert your 369 and 730 workout into pick 4 workouts. So the way that you want to convert your 369 and your 730 workout into pick 4 workouts is by adding an extra digit onto those workouts. So how do we add an extra digit if we don't know what to add on the end of those workouts? Well, this is how you do that. So a little knowledge for you guys. With these workouts, they are set up in sets of 3s, meaning that each number is added up off of the first digit of the workout. So when you count up 3 from 3, it gives you 6, and when you count up 3 from 6, it gives you 9, so on and so forth. That is how you would add a 4th digit onto the 369 workout. Here's an example of how that looks. With the 730 workout, those numbers are in the wrong order. They are still added in sets of 3s, but the official order that they are supposed to be in is 703. You would do the same as the 3692 workout. Here's an example of what that looks like. Also, from the previous video, the way that I told y'all to circle those numbers in the workout, those numbers are your double numbers that you can play in the pick 3 and 4 lottery. So now I want to talk about what I have in store for you guys. So I have some games for you guys to join in and play. The title of this game is called Spotted. In each video that I will post randomly in the future, I will have something in the video that you guys will have to spot out. It could be anything like an image or something I say, etc. If you guys guessed it right, you will win a cash prize via PayPal. You guys will have 1 hour after I post the video to try and figure out what it is. After an hour, I will reveal to you guys what it was after going over the comments. Any comment after 1 hour about what they have spotted will be disregarded, but comments about the workouts will be accepted. For the second game, it's called Got That. Now with this game, I will randomly show a debit card anywhere in the video, and whoever withdraws the funds first will be the winner of that prize. This card will have random amounts on it, so first come, first serve. For the third game, it's called Quick Picks. The way to win a prize in this game is by simply commenting and liking the video and sending me pictures of your winning ticket from using the workouts that I post. You will need to provide proof that you use my workouts by sending me a video with you using my workouts in the store and giving the slip to them with the same numbers that you wrote down. I will provide the workout on a sheet to make it easier for you guys. Then I will pick the lucky winners. All these games will go into effect soon, so stay on the lookout. Also, let me know in the comments who has hit off these workouts. I would really like to know. In the next video, I will be diving deeper in details about these workouts, as well as showing you guys things about the Powerball and Mega Millions, so keep them notifications on. Thank you for watching and feel free to comment.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake, 'cause I don't fucking care.